So you took time off, you did everything right. You went somewhere, you disconnected, you slept in, and you still came back feeling kind of off, tired, tense, maybe worse than before you left. That's not in your head, and it's not because you needed a longer trip. There's a simple reason your body does this, and once you understand it, it changes how you think about rest completely. Your nervous system has two modes. Alert mode keeps you focused, responsive, ready. Recovery mode is where your body actually repairs itself, processes stress, and recharges. Most of us spend far too long in alert mode, and when we suddenly stop, even for a holiday, the body doesn't automatically flip the switch. It's been trained to stay ready, so it does. This is so common it has a name: leisure sickness. People who push hard all year often feel genuinely unwell the moment they slow down. Headaches, exhaustion, irritability, not bad luck, just the body finally having space to show what it had been carrying. You will recognize it on vacation. You can't stop thinking about work even when you're actively trying not to. You're sleeping more, but still waking up tired. Small things are setting you off. Slow Wi-Fi, a noisy neighbor, a menu that takes too long. Or you just feel flat. Not sad, not happy. Like you expected to feel something and instead feel nothing. So what actually helps? It starts before you leave. Instead of going from full speed to sudden stop, ease down gradually. Fewer late nights, less constant decision making. Let your system shift out of work mode rather than forcing it overnight. Once you're away, the goal isn't performance. It's permission to be slow. Gentle movement, a morning walk, light activity that keeps you present without pushing you. Hard workouts when you're already depleted can actually keep you locked in that stressed state longer. And if you feel strange in the first day or two of a break, that's normal. It usually just means your body is finally letting go of the pace it's been holding for months. At Pulsetto, this is what we think about every day: how to help people actually reach that recovered state, especially when the body needs a nudge to get there. Because the problem isn't that people don't want to rest. Most people are desperate to switch off. The problem is that wanting isn't enough. Your nervous system doesn't respond to intention. It needs something more direct. That's why we built the stress resilience score inside the Pulsetto app, so you can actually see your nervous system recovering, not just hope that it is. Most people notice their score climbing within the first few days of use. That's your body responding to a direct signal in real time. That's exactly the gap Pulsetto was built to close. If this was useful, there's a lot more on this channel. Hit subscribe and tell me in the comments: have you ever come back from a vacation more tired than when you left?